AI began to integrate into electronics around the turn of the millennium. Initially, its role was simple, perhaps even rudimentary. It was largely used to automate basic tasks, like adjusting the brightness of a screen or managing power consumption in a device. But as we ventured further into the 21st century, the capabilities of AI grew exponentially. By the late 2000s, AI had found its way into our pockets, quite literally, with the advent of smartphones. These devices not only utilized AI for improved user interface, but also for predictive text, voice recognition, and even personal assistance. Around the same time, AI began to revolutionize our homes. Home automation systems used AI to learn our routines, preferences, and even anticipate our needs. Lights that dim at bedtime, thermostats that adjust to our comfort, all became a reality. With this understanding of AI's history in electronics, we can now look towards its future. The future of AI in electronics is both exciting and full of potential. Imagine a world where your home not just responds to your commands, but anticipates your needs. This is the promise of AI-powered Internet of Things devices. The refrigerator that not only tells you when you're out of milk, but also orders it for you. The thermostat that adjusts the temperature based on your preferences and the weather outside. Now, let's shift gears and think about smart homes. They're not just about convenience, but also about energy efficiency and safety. AI can learn your habits, optimize power usage, and even detect unusual activities that might signal a break-in. And then there's the burgeoning field of autonomous vehicles. AI is at the heart of these marvels, enabling cars to navigate complex traffic situations, make split-second decisions, and ensure passenger safety. But with these exciting advancements come challenges and ethical considerations. How do we ensure the privacy and security of data? How do we prevent the misuse of AI? And perhaps the most significant challenge, how do we make sure that AI decisions are transparent and explainable? These are not easy questions, but they are ones we must grapple with as we step into a future where AI plays an increasingly central role in electronics. The future of AI in electronics holds promise for incredible advancements, but it also poses new challenges that we must be prepared to face.